Hi, we're Michael and Lauren Hamilton, and we're with Home Sweet Maine.
And this is our October 5. One is apple orchards. We have a ton of amazing options around us for apple orchards. We went to Facebook and polled, and these are some of the answers that came back. Thompson's, Hansel's, Wellingfords, and Brackett's. Personally, we love Terrason's down the street from us in Cumberland. We've been there a couple times. It's a 4th generation, you-pick, low-spray apple orchard with a ton of varietals. And, secret fact, they have a gnome on the property. If you find him, you get to keep him.
Oh, that's fun. Number 2, I have 5 words for you. North American Wife Carrying Championship. Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds painful.
I love fairs and festivals, and in October there are so many. There's literally something for everyone. And personally, the one I'm most excited about is the Sunday River Fall Festival, because they host the annual North American Wife Carrying Championship. It's basically like a race with log hurdles and sand traps and a water hazard, except for every man has to carry a woman on his back. What are you doing?
She's like,
I didn't say I want to do it. I said I want to go to it.
And you have to run like that for a long period of time.
Anyways, it looks amazing. I think I need a little bit of that in my life.
3, did you know that Maine is rumored to have over 20 haunted lighthouses and inns? So, if you're feeling spooky this Halloween, you could go, check it out, come back with a tale of your own, or not come back at all.
Number 4, if you're feeling crafty or like saving money, try to make your own Halloween costumes this year. In years past, I have felt daunted by this task because we have 5 kids, but truth be told, it doesn't actually have to be very time consuming. And you can do it for $10 or less. Here's a few examples. Cat lady, octopus, weatherman.
5, trunk or treat. So this year for Halloween, personally, we are going to be going to White Pine Community Church in North Yarmouth, where they have a trunk or treat. When you have a lot of little kids running around the neighborhood, can be challenging. This is easy for us. You just go from trunk to trunk, get candy, play fun games. You usually have the trunks dressed up with silly themes and fun games you can play. And we're going to be decorating our van, so we are open to suggestions, although I am rooting for the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. It hasn't been approved yet, but if you have any suggestions, please give them to us. Also, we have a little poll which you can take and choose one of those. And we hope to see you there.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please feel free to share, or you can click the link below to subscribe. I think we got it. I think we got one.
The whole thing is awful.